Welcome once again. My name remains Sonwo. Um, Basically, I want to show us how Tabtrader works. If you are just a new person using Tabtrader, we have this, we have the watch list, and we have the alert. Basically, alert means setting the timing, maybe once it triggers, because Tabtrader can be connected to your Binance or other centralized exchanges, your Binance, your Cocoon, OKX, which other one, FTX, the debunked FTX. You can connect so many secs that you want to connect to, and it can be used. You don't really need to, except you want to subscribe and have a better performance, or because of the indicators, because you are limited to 3 indicators while using a Tabtrader. And those are the major things. Then on watch list, you come this by picking this. Your ticker is simply this. You can add accounts or any other coin that you want to account. You can see we have BitMEX, we have we have Coinbit, we have this, we have this, we have this. All this can be connected through what you call API, and that's just it, and that's how it works. So let me go back. So picking a ticker, I click on it. On this search bar, click on whatever coin name you want to pick. Here we go. Click on it. BTC. So pick any coin. Let me pick XMR USDT. So you select the exchange. If you are using Binance, for instance, select. So it will be added to your watch list, and you can create several accounts. This is one of my accounts. You can still create another one using this to create a watch list of another set that contains 15 coins. So you can pick any coin. So that's how it works basically. So from here you can view coin, you can see 4 hours. From here change it to daily chart, 4 days chart, to anyone. You can see all these things. These are the time frames. Here your Aikinashi candles, depending on the type of candle you want to use. I basically use Aikinashi candles. Then this is the seeing eye, to see your alert, your trade, or anything. If you toggle it off, you won't see them again. So but I want to add them. I don't need this, I don't need the shape. So just play around it. You see, you love Tabtrader, and these are the indicators. If I wish to use my RSI, this I can use maximum of 5 on this free account. Moving averages, exponential. So you can toggle them off if you don't want them. If you want to add another one, I think, okay, Bollinger Bands can be added. Okay, that's nice. This is new. I just updated my app, so you can basically use all this to work. You can see it's showing me pro, so it's only on pro version, professional. Those who pay, that can have access to other indicators that we have here. So with this, at least with this, a lot of indicators without you paying can be used. Volume, this I don't even basically use most of these things on Tabtrader. So you can add so many indicators. I think you have up to 20 free indicators that can be added on it. So on this part, you can see it's not showing well. But because I don't want it to be clubbed on my own side, that's why I removed a lot of them, so I can visualize my major indicators are RSI, Bollinger Bands, and EMA. So those are the major one I basically use. So it's okay now. So that's basically. Then on this share, if you want to share to different platforms, after your analysis. So those are the basic things you can do on Tabtrader, and this basic is more than enough to me. Thank you once again. I remain my humble self, Sonwo.